My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware type threat, which is called Jenny. Jenny is the infection that is able to encrypt and damage the files that the customers store on their hard drives. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documents can be opened pretty easily. Unfortunately, because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this Jenny ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then pretty soon people realize that something bad has occurred with the files. The files are almost immediately encrypted. When you try to open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Jenny extension. So, it's not possible to use the files anymore. Indeed, they are encrypted, and removing this Jenny extension manually does not fix the issue. The ransom note indicates that you have become the victim of Jenny ransomware. It also displays some other scary messages. It also displays some counter, and it also actually changes the desktop background of your Windows computer. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money for nothing. We recommend you, first of all, we recommend you to check the task manager if you can, to stop any suspicious processes. We also recommend that you scan your Windows computer with Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software, and it also works as anti-ransomware. Combo Cleaner can be found on this official website, combocleaner.com. It removes this Jenny ransomware, but it does not decrypt files. Keep this in mind. So after you download Combo Cleaner antivirus through this official page, combocleaner.com, start the program and click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database. After that, you will notice that the scanning will begin. So the scanning will then begin and the program will begin researching and analyzing your computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, has got the excellent anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to protect your files from being damaged or encrypted in the future. You can allow certain folders on the system to be included into the anti-ransomware plan of Combo Cleaner Premium, and the contents of these folders will always be under the protection. But this feature is once again the part of the premium license. So Combo Cleaner will scan your system. The scanning itself might take several minutes depending on various factors. For instance, it could depend on how many hard drives are being scanned simultaneously. It may also depend on how infected your system is in general. Anyway, at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the revealed threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations on the system. And we recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.